guys. Let's see if we can figure out what the air suspension fault code is. Still works. We just get a display of the suspension fault. So let's see what's going on. So here we got a right rear height sensor, cross articulation, and invalid data received. Okay guys, so here I got it pulled up, the voltage for the sensors. Right rear sensor has 0 voltage. We'll inspect the sensor and replace the sensor as needed. I'm back with you guys. We got the Range Rover back in here. We're gonna see if we can figure out what was going on with this. Earlier we had our scan tool hooked up and it was throwing just air suspension fault. When we pulled the fault codes, we seen that we had a fault code for right rear height sensor. Okay guys, here's what we got. When I pulled the wiring harness off, I found that the wire had actually chafed on top of the frame rail. And this is what you gotta do to fix this. Remove the rear seat. You're gonna have to pull the carpet up, access the fuel pump, and you can pull your wiring harness through the fuel pump harness. This is the harness that we're working with. The chafe was actually about here with the wire loom, right where it met the wire loom. So I've untaped it, soldered in a new wire. Heat shrink tubing is actually got silicone on the inside, so it silicones it shut, so it will be exposed to elements, so that helps out. We'll get this thing wired back up. We'll put all the seats back in and clear all the fault codes, calibrate it, and then see where we're at. Got the sensor put back on. The wiring is all good now. I came in, did an ignition cycle, started the car, and this is what we have. We have a tire pressure monitoring fault, and that's it. I have not done anything other than put the sensor wiring and the sensor back in. I'm sure the fault code is still in there. I will clear the fault codes and calibrate it, but as of right now, everything's working. So, one car fixed and several more to go. Hey, if you like what you see, subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll check you next time.